What's going on? Mike here, got another video. YouTube, good morning. Another day, another dollar. We at it again. So appreciate all the views yesterday. Today I'm gonna do the same thing. Not as long because I only have like 4 jobs today. Thank goodness. I be wanting to chill sometimes, like when it's busy. But no, it's just starting to pick up a little bit more. So take advantage of it's always good to take advantage of the slow when you've been in business for years and you've been pushing it and getting it. When it's slow, take advantage of it. You know, recharge, come back, because it's always gonna pick back up. It's never slow. I mean, you know, unless you do horrible work. But anyway, headed to my first call. My first call is a GE refrigerator leaking water. My next call after that is the job that I did yesterday with the Frigidaire fridge that has the leak. They want it charged up. So I think I charged like $225 to charge it up. So I'm doing that today, and I'm going to, what is that after that? I think after that I have a washer. But anyway, I'm gonna update you guys after every job. I'll try to keep on track. Yesterday I missed 2 ice maker calls. I missed the GE refrigerator that I installed the ice maker, and I missed the Samsung refrigerator, but I explained it to you guys in the video yesterday. So today I'll try to keep track. Just sometimes you get busy, you're on the phone, you have to look up part statuses and stuff, and you just, you get sidetracked. So yeah, guys, I'll be back with my explanation and overview of that first job. Appreciate it. I'm gonna see where the part is, and then I'll let you know how long it'll be. Alright guys, so that was a GE fridge leaking water. Like I said initially, when I got there, he told me that he saw water leaking from the dispenser, but since he turned the water off, there wasn't it stopped leaking. So it's a 20-plus-year-old GE fridge. He pretty much helped me out in figuring it out that, okay, you have a water valve. One of the steel solenoids is sticking open, causing water to drip through, because obviously you cut the water connection off, stop leaking. So we're gonna get a water valve for that. It is available still. And I will say this, I don't do any pre-diagnosing. And when you guys get to a certain point, if you do it, you're probably not, because you'll see so much stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't do any pre-diagnosing. I just go there, start with fresh eyes and see what I need to see. So yeah, just had to say that. So my next job I'm headed to now, I'm gonna go charge up this fridge, and I'll see you guys there. Definitely in a vacuum. Definitely in a vacuum. Alright, let's charge this thing up. Alright, we're getting up where we need to be. Let me show you what the guy's temperature is. 104. So you see what it was when I first came, and it's going up. So by the time I'm done, this thing should be at least about 110. All right, so charged that job up, went out, everything went okay. Now I want to say a couple things when you do this. You should have knowledge of changing a compressor or just doing seal system work to do this. I don't recommend people to just go out here and do this and don't have any knowledge of pressures, what they need to look out for. See, when I first came there, I didn't even have to bring out my temp gun. I just put my hands on the condenser coil, and I can feel how they were at room temperature. Then I was out the door. Came back today, wanted to show you guys what the temperatures are supposed to be at. It's always going to be 30 degrees or more, give or take more than what it is. than what the actual room temperature is. So make sure, so all you guys that always hit me up about it's not cooling, I check the thermistor, always check the condenser coil first. That will tell you a lot that you need to know, and then you can go. Usually thermistors, sorry about this mount, are gonna be a problem where they're not cooling properly, like, or sporadically, you know. That's all that will do. So yeah, on to the next call. Oh, another thing before I forget, those three-way valves I put on, the tap valves I put on there, make sure they're on there tight, really tight. Don't have them on there loose. They are prone, you know, they don't last that long. They might last 10, 15 years, I'm not sure. But that's why it's a temporary thing. And always put them on the access valves. Don't put them on the evaporator line going up into the fridge. But if you guys are doing compressors already, you already should know this information. So anyway, I'm heading to a washer. What is the washer? The washer not filling water. So, you know, probably be a valve or something, but we'll see. Jeez, okay. So I gotta figure out what these codes are. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys. So that washer, yeah, when I got there, they were saying she was doing a lot of things. It was letting in water and not stopping. It would they would have to cut the power off. When you're looking up diagnostic codes, a lot of times there's some stored codes, or there's some codes that are saved in it. It doesn't necessarily mean. So with the door lock error, I checked the door lock. Door lock is fine. Doesn't need the door lock. One was a issue when it felt like I don't know what they did. They did a clean cycle or something. I don't know. And one code, I checked the basket and drum. Everything was good with that. So I'm gonna get it a water valve for the issue of it overflowing. But other than that, it shouldn't be any other issue with it. So we'll get that done, and on to the next call. Well, I'm gonna see. I didn't get this customer, so if I don't get this, if I don't get a hold of them, I'll come back, let you guys know if I'm wrapping up the video. Alright guys, that's it for me today. I am done. The last call wanted to be rescheduled for Friday. And how that works too is he didn't confirm from yesterday. And then what we do in the morning, we try to see if they're available and confirm again. If we don't get them, then they're put on the list to be rescheduled. So he called in maybe, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes ago. And he said Friday is better for him, so we're gonna do him Friday. Tomorrow I am booked out, so I'll be back again tomorrow with some calls for you guys. Today was an easy day. Like I said, sometimes it's like that, and I enjoy the easy days. I really do. Go home and chill, and I made some money. You know, that's the thing. You gotta make sure you get out here and make some money every single day, man. I mean, that's just how I feel. That's my mindset. So yeah, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna do this every single day, but I'm just trying to get, you know, for the new people that are getting into this, to get an idea of what kind of calls you run into. And, you know, eventually I'm gonna get it to where I can get interactions with the customer, so stay tuned for that. I'm working on that for new people. It's just I gotta get some things out the way, and waivers and stuff like that. So that's what I'm trying to get done. But appreciate you guys watching. You already know what it is. I'll be back with another one. Peace.